An home-based earthquake drill is one set of simulated emergency circumstances designed to test the ability of family members to make the most appropriate decisions to ensure their safety. The family members should understand the emergency response plan sufficiently in order to react appropriately during the drill. Earthquakes strike without warning. Life-protecting action must be taken immediately at the first indication of ground shaking. There will not be time to think through what to do. Why is it important to do a drop, cover, and hold on a drill? To react quickly, you must practice often. You may only have seconds to protect yourself in an earthquake before strong shaking knocks you down or drops something on you. Practicing helps you to be ready to respond. Hi, I am Michaela Nicole C. Revales, a grade 11 STEM 2B Wisdom student of the University of Cebu, Banilad Campus, a 17-year-old woman who was born on April 10, 2004, an Aries baby, a dreamer, and a goal setter, raised from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City, a 100% Filipina and holding the true beauty of a Cebuana. First and foremost, you must have a go bag in case a disaster will occur. This will help you save from having to run around and gather items when a threatening situation is imminent. The go bag should consist of foods, clothes, batteries, extra phone, masks, alcohol, medicines, wipes, emergency kit, water, and extra money. And of course, a flashlight. Extend effort in preparing for a disaster like earthquake. Put labels on the hazardous places in your home so that it is easier for you to identify it after a disaster. Put hazardous warnings in the hanging objects, glass objects, and flammable objects. Learn to turn off electricity, water, and flammable stocks. This will help you avoid flood, electrocuted, and fire. Anchor heavy object to prevent falling during earthquake. Learn the earthquake plan of your home so that you will know where you will go in case a catastrophe occurs. During an earthquake, you have to stay calm. If you're indoors, stay inside. Find something that you can cover your head. Look around you. Duck. Slowly crawl under the table. Always cover your head and hold on the strong foundation of the table. After shaking, slowly go to the safe place outside your house, but don't forget to perform duck, cover, and hold to protect you from the falling objects. Stay squatted until it's already safe to stand up. After an earthquake, you have to check yourself. Listen to the radio for more emergency updates and to keep updated for further notice.
Philippines today just some time ago. Seismic-like event. Possible earthquake reported few minutes ago near Cebu City, Central Visayas, Philippines. We are receiving unverified early reports of ground shaking possibly caused by seismic activity in or near Cebu City, Central. There are no
While
details yet on the
listening to
magnitude or
the
depth of this
news,
possible quake.
prepare
If
the
confirmed, we can
emergency
expect more
bag
accurate data
so
somewhere in
that
the
you
next
are
few minutes.
ready in
The
case you
location,
need to
magnitude, and time mentioned are
evacuate.
indicative based on our best fit seismic model. They are temporary until our all-quakes monitoring service receives more exact scientific data from a national or international seismological agency. Check. Back here shortly and stay safe.
Contact family members that is away from you to keep in touch and to be updated. When it is already safe to go inside your home, check the hazard areas, fix the falling objects, and check the flammable ones. Because earthquakes strike without warning, life protecting actions must be taken immediately at the first indication of ground shaking. There will not be time to think through what to do. Therefore, of all earthquake preparedness measures, earthquake drills are the most important. It takes an earthquake to remind us that we walk on the crust of an unfinished planet. Thank you for watching!